Hello, fellow Jamaicans. Any of you that is in your 40s or so can easily understand what I'm about to say here. As young boys, a few things gives us more joy than owning a slingshot. A good slingshot was a thing in those days. The adults made the best ones. Now, a crucial part of any slingshot is the crutch. Jamaicans say crook. Adults made premium slingshots crooks primarily from pimento trees. The more artistic would carve a crook from a nice piece of board and run it down with sandpaper to refine it. As boys, we used anything that had a crutch to make slingshots. However, as you age and get better with it, we started to specialize in the more premium crooks, which we got either from pimento trees or guava trees. Eventually, I came across a tree we called the fell bone tree, so the crutches on these is always straight. The wood was about medium hard, so it was just about okay. I would rank it third, but that's debatable. Now, the best part of owning a slingshot was to go bird hunting. As Jamaicans, we say we go a bird bush. Now, bird bush is story of itself. It will need its own video. Slingshot tongues were made from old leather shoes and shaped to perfection. We would use fish gun rubber on the slings. This was premium. If we couldn't get or buy it, we used rubber bands. Jamaicans called it ping gum or elastic. When none of those are available, we would use bicycle tube, which we called draw and buck. We called it that because they could stretch to a point and no further. We used bicycle tube to tie the rubber to the crooks and slingshot tongue.